Hi, I am Jonas De Ketelaere, CEO and Cybersecurity Consultant at 360 IT Belgium. I originally started in IT infrastructure, but now I also design and implement various security solutions for our customers. Throughout my career, I've mostly done Microsoft certification and specific security product certifications. Ever since being the CEO of 360 IT, we've been more focused on the offensive part of security. We've done this through education, helping our personnel to certify for security certifications like CH, CPENT, or even ISO and CISP. It's really our ambition to create a strong info security team and put even more focus on that. If you think like an attacker, you're more likely to find other ways around implemented security products. After I did my CH at EC Council in 2020, my interest and skills began to grow. It was only natural for me to try the CPENT certification. Whereas CH is quite theoretical, CPENT is very practical and requires you to think outside the box. Everything I read online about and the stories about a vigorous 24-hour exam convinced me even more to try the challenge. My experience on preparing and learning for CPENT, I did the labs, of course, and you also have the practical range. That is a very good example of what you can expect on the actual exam. Besides that, I read a lot online. I even enlisted on other platforms like Hack the Box or Try Hack Me, and everything combined prepared me to take on the exam for CPENT. The hardest part in the exam for me was binary analysis. A 24-hour exam is hard. You sometimes get stuck or you need to refocus, but binary analysis was something I've never done before. And having to use a debugger in Linux was quite a challenge for me. For me, three things I liked about the CPENT program is that it covers a very wide range of topics. You get Windows, Linux, Active Directory, even binary analysis, OT and IoT. I also like that it's very hands-on, it's very practical, and it really is something that you can expect in day-to-day real-life experience. I also like that there's several topics that you have to pivot around the network, so it's a multi-layer environment. You don't stop at one host, but you look at what's behind that host and try to get even further in the network. I really love the labs. They're very good. They start fast, they respond fast, and everything is very good explained. And even if you don't really understand or get the instructions that come with the labs, you get the time to read extra information online and try to really understand what the labs are trying to teach you. There's not really one tool I use on a day-to-day basis, but Nmap, everything starts with Nmap for me. Enumeration is very important to see what you have on the network, and you go further from there. Then you go with Derp and Gobuster, Nikto. If it's an Active Directory environment, you can use BloodHound. There's so many tools you can use, but for me, getting to know the network starts with Nmap. The best advice I can give anyone who tries the CPENT is that you have a basic knowledge before you start. Understanding what the tools that you use give you will benefit you on the course itself. Have a documented system where you can quickly find what you need, and especially don't give up if you get stuck. 24 hours exam is very hard, even if you do it in 2 times 12 hours. And also take notes of everything you do. After the exam, you have to write a complete report on everything you've done. So don't forget to take screenshots of everything you do because you'll need it in the report.